of the birds taking off scared you last night. Though they were right to leave, right to use their wings. Sound of the birds taking off scared you last night. Though they were right to leave, right to use their wings. I just can't figure out, is it too late or too early? Could be right on time. Could it be right on? If the crow said it right, we could move out by dawn early. Could be right on time. Could be right on. So the sound of the birds taking off scared you last night. Though they were right to leave, right to use their wings to fly. Sound of the birds taking off scared you last night. Though they were right to leave, right to use their wings. So I stand on the ceiling, still traveling fears, thinking if you rise, I'll rise. We'll be waiting for the morning, heel crumbling straight, thinking if you rise, I'll rise, I'll run, I'll run, I'll. Sound of the birds taking off scared you last night. Though they were right to leave, right to use their wings. So the sound of the birds taking off scared you last night. Though they were right to leave, right to use their wings. I just can't figure out. 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 I know you won't let me down. I can tell by the vibe that's beyond the house. I can tell you won't let this go by the spark in your eye and the pep in your feet, 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 feet. I got some real blessings to ask you now. Do you think we can change the world one move at a time? I got some real blessings to share. Having you by my side makes it all